दोन डेलिगेशन आमचे कडेन आयिल्लीं, काँग्रेसचे आयिल्ले. तांकां सगळी स्थिती हांवें एक्सप्लेन करून सांगतकच they also agreed that the way the strike has been called is not a correct procedure really. पण सरकाराक कसलेंच रिप्रेझेंटेशन न येता अचानक स्ट्रायक कॉल करप. स्ट्रायक 8 दीस पयलीं केला. सरकाराक कित्याक कॉल करता तें सुद्दां लॅटर नाशिल्लें. हें बरोबर तें तांच्यांनी मान्य केलें. मागीर ताजे नंतर मायकल लोब आनी काही टॅक्सीचे वेगवेगळे एसोसिएशनचे सदस्य लिडर्स आयिल्ले. त्यांनी आपली जे कितें म्हणणें आसा तें सांगलें. काही गोष्टी ज्यो हांवें स्पश्ट केल्यो की तुमी प्रोसिजर कसलोच फॉलो करूंक ना. तुमकां जर कितें ग्रीवन्स आशिल्ली जाल्यार तुमी एक पत्र बरोवण्याची आवश्यकता आशिल्ली. ज्या पत्रान तुमचे ग्रीवन्स रेज केले जाल्यार तुमचे कडेन आपूण हाडून हांव उलोवणूय करतलो. जें कितें शक्य आसा तें. त्यामुळे विथआउट फॉलोईंग एनी प्रोसिजर द स्ट्रायक वॉज अनकॉल्ड फॉर. आणि त्यामुळे तुम्ही स्ट्रायक फाटी घेणें हें सगळ्यांच्याच हितान आसा. ताचेर ताजें म्हणणें आशिल्लें, अनेक म्हणणें आशिल्लें की अशें कर तें कर हें कर. म्हळ्यार सगळ्यो गोश्टी कन्सिडर करपाक येता प्रोवायडेड यू टेक बॅक द स्ट्रायक. एक तांचे भितर मागणी आशिल्ली ती म्हणजे स्पीड गव्हर्नर विड्रॉ कर. एज ऑफ नाव दॅट कॅनॉट बी डन बिकॉज इट इज डिसिजन ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट अँड एक्ट रुल्स फ्रेम बाय द सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट. पण तांच्यांनी दुसरी गोष्ट लक्षात हाडून दिली की स्पीड गव्हर्नर जाय तितले उपलब्ध ना इतल्या कमी टायमान बसून. आणि म्हणून तांकां एक आनी गोश्ट सांगल्या की फाल्यां सरकार तांचें हें तांच्यांनी म्हाका एप्लिकेशन दिवचें. फाल्यां सरकार ताचेर निर्णय घेतले. कारण अंडर सेक्शन 110(3)(b सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट has given us the powers to take decision on giving more time to fit the speed government. डिसेंबरात केन्ना तरी मुंबई टॅक्सी युनियन हायकोर्टान गेली. त्या हायकोर्टान तांकां सांगलें जर स्पीड गव्हर्नर उपलब्ध ना जाल्यार सगळेच जाण बसूंक शकना. त्यामुळे तांकां वेळ दिवचो. तो वेळ दितलो जाल्यार म्हजे कडेन पावर ना. But central government can under 110(3)(b give this authority to the state governments. एक्टाचे सेक्शन त्या प्रमाणे तांच्यांनी आमकां अंडर सेक्शन 10(3)(b जर स्पीड गव्हर्नर उपलब्ध ना जाल्यार आनीक वेळ दिवपाक हरकत ना अशें कळयल्लें सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट. ताजो तांचे फाल्यां पेटिशन आयलें की त्या सेक्शनाचेर आमी तांचें कन्सिडरेशन करून एका दिसा भितर उपलब्ध ना अशें थोडेशें चित्र आसा. ना अशें न्हय. जाय तितले ब्रँडाचे प्रत्येक हाका हें ना. तेन्ना थोडो टायम दिवपाक आमची हरकत ना अंडर दीस पावर्स वीच हॅज बीन डेलिगेटेड बाय सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. ते फाल्यां तांची वी आर टोल्ड देम बाय आफ्टरनून यू गिव मी रिक्वेस्ट. बट दीस इज ओनली फॉर गिविंग मोर टायम बियॉन्ड 24th or 28th February to fit governors. It is not exemption in government. ताजेर तांचें एक म्हणणें आशिल्लें की सुप्रीम कोर्टान केस अजुनूय चालू आहा, तुमी इंटरव्हीन करा. स्पीड गव्हर्नर टॅक्सीक बसप हें कितें खूब पॉझिटिव्ह गजाल अशी न्हय ती. इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट्स ओन व्यू. त्यामुळे आमकां सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडेन हो व्यू पॉयंट दवरपाक कांय हरकत ना अशें हांवें मायकलाचे रिक्वेस्ट आशिल्लो. ताका हरकत ना म्हणून सांगलें. दॅट इज वेर द मॅटर स्टँड एज ऑफ नाव.
तुम्ही सेक्शन 110(3)(b सांगले ते मोटर व्हेकल
एक्टान सेक्शन 110(3)(b म्हणटा की स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट मे रिलॅक्स एनी ऑफ द क्लॉज ऑफ द रुल्स विथ प्रायर अप्रुवल ऑफ द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. सेक्शन 3
सर म्हणल्यार
आमकां सेंट्रलान कळयला की जर स्पीड गव्हर्नर तुमच्या राज्यांत योग्य त्या मेकाचे योग्य त्या गाडयेक बसोवपाचे जाय तितल्या क्वॉन्टिटीन 2-3 ब्रँड उपलब्ध जर नासत जाल्यार तुमी थोडो वेळ दिवपाक हरकत ना. दॅट इज टू बी डिसायडेड बाय द स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट, वीच आय एम रेडी टू एक्सरसाइज. आय हॅव नो issue about it. If there are no governors, how can you fit them? Because कित्याक लागून एकदम एकाच धपक्याचो लोड आयलो न्ही. The manufacturers are not able to manufacture in adequate quantities. So तितलो वेळ एक्स्ट्रा दिवं येता, but that does not exempt the requirement of spillover. It is only question of some additional.
तुम्ही आता म्हटलं की एक्झाम करपा हे स्टेटीचो सुद्धा व्यू आसा की स्पीड गव्हर्नमेंट व्यू पर्सन करपाची गरज ना म्हणून.
My personal view does not matter
गव्हर्नमेंटच
as far as the law is concerned. So currently the law is like this. See, we are not adamant on that. The central government and authority तो our exercise करपाक तयार आसा. It's not an issue for us because we are not ourselves not convinced, to be frank, that 80 km speed limit could change any situation on the ground in Goa at least. So at least ते 100 minimum ते 100 किलोमीटर आसूंक जाय असलें अशें म्हजें स्वताचें म्हणणें. म्हाका तातूंत भितर अशें दिसता की गोंयांत टॅक्सीज आर नॉट ऑल्सो इनवॉल्ड विथ टू मेनी एक्सिडेंट्स. म्हणजे गोंयांत एक्सिडेंट जातात ते चडशे भायल्यो गाडयो किंवा लोकल गाडयो आनी ट्रक. टॅक्सी कंपेरेटिवली प्रमाण कमी आसा.
मिनिस्टर म्हणटा की गोंयांतले रस्ते 80च्या वयर व्हरपाक येतना म्हणटा तो. ताणें सांगला पळय अशे रस्त्याचे
तूं
सुदीन लोलयेकर
लिमीट बरोबर आसा. अनेक रस्त्याक तुका 80 किलोमीटर स्पीड मारपाक येता. दॅट इज डिफरंट. नाही that is different from fitting a speed governor. So speed governor बसोवप काय ना ह्या संदर्भात स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचो व्यू आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टा फुडें दवरतले की इन गोवा स्पीड गव्हर्नरची टॅक्सींग आवश्यकता टॅक्सींगूच टॅक्सींग आवश्यकता आमकां दिसना. हो आमचो व्यू आमी कोर्टान दवरपाक आमची हरकत ना.
केन्ना मेळपाक
ते पळयता. दॅट इज when it is I am not aware. They showed me and Michael घेवन आयलो की ही केस मॅटर चालू ते आमी रिप्रेझेंट करनासले दिसता. वील रिप्रेझेंट बट दॅट इज नॉट द डिसिजन. दॅट इज ओनली टू टेक इट अप टू द कोर्ट.
पूण इज इट अ प्रेशर ऑफ काल तुमचो एक स्टँड आशिल्लो की
कितें चेंज जालें
तुमी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक वता
कितें
तेच की स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटाचो व्यू येना.
हांव वचना. केस चालू आहा.
हय पूण इंटरव्यू
इंटरव्यू म्हणजे आमचो अधिकार तो.
तुम्ही फायल करता.
सो वी विल फायल अवर दॅट्स ऑल.
रिव्यू काय हे मागतले
व्यू
इंटरव्यू
आमी म्हणणें आमी कोर्टा समोर दवरपाक म्हजी हरकत ना. इट्स अ स्मॉल इश्यू. फॉर मी इट इज नॉट अ इगो इश्यू. बट आय टोल्ड देम व्हेरी क्लियरली ओनली इफ द स्ट्राइक इज विथड्रॉ.
But today the taxi drivers are very adamant that no, they want speed governors to be removed, and they.
I told you, no.
Yeah, they have taken some in writing with the deputy speaker has given something in writing.
I don't know.
So basically,
government are very clear. तांकां हांगा आयिल्ल्यान नाका. Everything is videotaped. You can see it if you want. So I have videotaped both Congress meeting as well as this meeting. So if anyone is interested, he can see the videotape himself.
So it's not about
I have bluntly said that I cannot withdraw the But since Government of India has given us powers to exempt to the extent that the availability is not there, then give more time to go to the
कितले टाइम
In this connection, your attention is invited to provision of section 110(3)(b) of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, which empowers the state government to exempt any motor vehicle or class or description of the motor vehicle from rules made under subsection 1 of subsection 110. State may take recourse to the above mentioned provision to exempt specific models of transport vehicles from requirement of fitment of speed governor till the time the speed governors of at least 2 or 3 manufacturers are available at competitive rates for fitment by the transport vehicle owner. This is पूर्ण करून This is the exemption they have granted. I have no reservation on using this exemption to give them more time, because if something is not available, you cannot force the person to put it there. Issue raised before me is completely different. Issue raised before me now is that they are not all available. So if all speed governors are not available, using this power I can give them more time, which I am ready to give, because there is no problem on that. Now I have the necessary powers as per the Central Act. Earlier I had no powers. Secondly, the reason is only if they are not available. So if they make a case tomorrow that they are not available, we will consider more time to be given.
No, fitness. No, directions are going that fitness certificates will be given within 2 days. So basically, they get 1 more year to fit the governor. That's what the order said. I'm just asking.
To Governor, fitness certificate is one of the checkpoints. Just because you have to pass a checkpoint, and that checkpoint says that you have to complete this, comply these conditions, does not mean after the checkpoint you should not comply. You are still required to comply, but there is no checkpoint. But checkpoint.
Just clarify.
Now that's something. 1 year again checkpoint will come, but in between the RTO can verify me. So that becomes a temporary checkpoint. So fitness certificate दिली सुद्धा आणि समजा 100 महिने दिल्या 100 महिने झाल्यानंतर that in spite of fitness certificate, because this condition will be written there,
On the fitness.
that this fitness certificate is issued in relaxation of under rule 110(3)(b). जे कितें बरोवपाचें आसता तें बरयल्लें वता. सो अमक्या तारखेपर्यंत ताणें बसोवंक जाय पडटा, or unless it is extended further. So whatever specified time, they have to fit it. Now that specified time which was ending on 28th February, not 24 before, sorry, 28th February, which I had given on my own. Now I am giving it under provision which has been granted to me by central government. Now I have legal authority to give, provided the reason for giving is non-availability. It is not for any other reason. The reason is not strike. The reason is not I don't have money. It is not a reason. Non-availability is a reason which has some meaning. I have checked up primarily. So based on that, some more time can be given as per the law.
At the same time, you would be exercising your right to express your view before the Supreme Court.
No, that is
Example.
I never had objection to that. If someone had brought to my notice that here you can raise your issue, today Michael brought it to my notice that this case is still continuing in the court and we should put our viewpoint. I said okay, no problem.
Exempt का taxi. फक्त
Because there is law, if you ask me, No.
Only taxi.
Taxi, because I really believe that taxis at 80 kilometers has no meaning because of two reasons. One, what my minister said, most of the road you cannot travel more than 50 kilometers. 80 kilometers comes into picture only on the highways. As of now, highways also mostly are dug up. So there also it's almost impossible, except few stretches and at night time, that you can travel at more than 80 kilometers. Traffic also is bumper to bumper.
असे साइन वच्चे ना की तुम्ही टॅक्सीवाल्यांच्या प्रेशराच्या अंडर येऊन आज डिसिजन घेतलं म्हणून की सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचपाचें
की हांव वचपाचें म्हणना परत
म्हणजे फायल करतले म्हटलं तुम्ही फायल
म्हाका मेळपाक येना तशेंच चुकीचें
स्टेटमेंट फायल एक्सप्रेस
हे केन्ना तुका हांव सांगता आफ्टर दे हॅव विड्रॉन द स्ट्रायक सो दॅट वॉज माय फर्स्ट कंडिशन that you withdraw the strike, then all these aspects will be considered. That's why when you called me, I told you म्हाका मायकलान कितें सांगलें तें म्हाका लागना, because I am government. He is MLA and he may be honorable deputy speaker, he may be good friend of mine, but he is not government. सरकार उलयता तें सरकाराक करचें पडटा. So only if they withdraw the strike, I will consider certain reasonable requests from them. Particularly going to the court, I have no problem. If they had brought it to my notice before going to strike also, I would have taken it to the court. It's just filing an affidavit to the court. That Goa government believes that this is not a requirement for the of course new vehicle will come with the spirit of ओल्ड व्हेकलान बसूंक जाय अशें कंपल्शन आसचें न्ही अशें आमकां म्हणपाक आमची पयली हरकत नाशिल्ली प्रोवायडेड दे ब्रॉट इट टू सो दॅट इज ओनली वॉट वी हॅव इन मायंड वी आर जस्ट एक्सप्रेसिंग वी आर रेडी टू डू इट तूं पळय जें म्हणटा तो पॉयंट तुका एक्चुअली कळूंक जाय वेन यू कॉल्ड मी आय रिफ्यूज टू टॉक टू यू and I told you that I will talk only if they withdraw the strike. So that was condition that whatever demands they had made, reasonable part of it could be considered provided strike is withdrawn.
So this message now for tourism.
Now I tell you, now I am telling you.
Bad
Tourism, what?
Bad message, the strikes that people are holding.
No, that is why I am telling you now. What are the steps we are thinking of initiating? Number one, airport. I have issued instruction to GTDC that henceforth all the internal counters after maybe a couple of days or maybe time period I am not aware, but they will man the counter henceforth.
Okay.
The tourist taxi operator will not be permitted to man the counter.
Yeah, prepaid taxi.
Counters belong
Prepaid
to
taxi.
GTDC.
Prepaid taxi.
The counter will be manned by GTDC so that they can provide adequate service. Last 8 months I have been telling that this taxi association to put more people so that people doesn't have to stand in queues. So आता tourism department, tourism development corporation हे counter man करतले. They can charge some 10 rupees fees for each ticket issue. They will have multiple counters, 2 permanent counter and maybe handheld counters. It may take some time, 1 month or so, for making it fully operational. The taxis will have the list and it will be all electronically issued. So people who come can give cash card, a credit card, or give some other way of payment, digital payment, which will be preferred. Now there is number one. Hi. मेरे पयली
एअरपोर्ट
हाजेर बी स्टेशनाचेर बी मागीर सेम थींग लावया नंबर 2 खंयची गजाल करची पडटा न्हय एका जाग्यार दुसरें थंय आतां ज्यो टॅक्सी आहा त्यो अत्यंत इनएडेक्वेट आहा सो वी आर टेकिंग डिसिजन ऑन इन्क्रीजिंग द नंबर एक्झॅक्ट नंबर will be decided after discussing with department and STA with the procedure. But number of taxi, yellow and black taxi, will be increased. There could be a possibility of introducing taxi, airport taxi separately. Possibility. Kadamba has been asked to work out, now they know everything, how the aircrafts are. Additional bus services from the airport to fix designations in Kalangut, Kandoli, Mapsa, Panji, Madgaon. Like that, there will be more number of buses services available from Kadamba. So any passenger who comes doesn't want a taxi and want to use services of Kadamba, he can almost, we will make condition that almost within 15-20 minutes he should get a Kadamba bus. So automatically condition that you have to travel only one mode virtually will be eliminated. I have also told GTDC to immediately go in for development of app. So they can start GTDC app in the state. They may take 3-4 months to develop the app and everything. They can start the app-based service. If the taxi associations wants the app to be developed, we can develop it free for them also. Digital meter should be, the implementation should start probably in 4 months time. May take another 7-8 months to complete the fix, but digital meter will start sometime after 4-5 months. There are सगळ्या स्टेक होल्डरांक पयलीं करच्या पयलीं एकदां आमी आपयतले विल डिस्कस डिफिकल्टीज. प्रायवेट टॅक्सीज, these are not issues discussed with them. Private taxis we have already started tracking, but I can tell you within next couple of months, if any private taxi is used as a taxi, private vehicle is used as a taxi, the license could be suspended. Registration.
RC2.
The vehicle could be impounded also as per the law.
So this
I am also developing an portal platform or app whereby anyone, if he is fleeced by any complaint he has against a taxi operator, he can register it online and it will be monitored on a similar to Sentinel scheme. We are now slowly developing scheme to monitor this. Initially it becomes difficult, but slowly, so same it will be. So anyone who, if someone is charged extra, once digital meter comes, this issue becomes very small, because you know what is your fees. Even at night time, if the fees are more, charges are more, the meter will have automatic multiplier. So you don't have to bother. The charge will come on the meter. कंज्युमराचे जे अडचणी आसा, आता उदाहरण कंज्युमर काही कंप्लेन करता काही हॉटेलांनी प्रायवेट किंवा आपली गाडी घेऊन वचपाक दिना, that will be also not accepted. But all these things will happen in one by one phases.
So this app is only for cabs or also overall for buses?
No,
and things?
there will be app only for tourists to register any complaint.
No, not that.
Portal.
Earlier one.
GTDC.
Which one?
GTDC.
That will be for tourist taxis, where GTDC will book certain taxis. They have a scheme. He says that he will guarantee minimum 700 rupees
You said that. Per trip.
per taxi, minimum. That is not maximum. Even if he does not get any girak, he will give him that money. Something like that. So for that he will register maybe say 1000 taxis, and they will act like a what you call Uber. What is Uber, Ola? They are basically an application by which nearest taxi gets a signal saying that you please go to this place and pick up this gentleman whose mobile number is this. So he goes there, the nearest one, and picks up. Nothing more.
And these buses will be stationed at the airport itself.
Buses, Kadamba will start operating bus route from airport. They had one or two, but now they will deploy 7-8 buses to have regular routes from airport, say in the morning at 7:31, 8 o'clock one, 8:31. One will go to Margao. They will do some study on it. By now they will know how many people go to air. This 2 days experience has given them some data.
Contract cancel करतात, not
Yes.
contract cancel.
That has been
That's it.
decided already,
Yes.
direction has been issued. Contract means those who have
Violated
violated
the
contract.
or contract.
Contract. So that is contract.
Obviously, it's a failure to execute a contract by that particular person with the government. I can't trust a person who doesn't value his contract. हाँ?
एक केस नसता
12-13
Government.
तिकडे ऑलरेडी आहे PWच्या बाकीच्यांका डायरेक्शन होतलें ना 2 दीस तुमकां सांगता तेन्ना सुटी आनी नाव देर विल बी अ नोट गोईंग इट मे हॅपन ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ 15 days बट विल कॅन्सल
They'll be blacklisted all those guys. In future also they won't be allowed.
नहीं 1 year for next 1 year they will not be considered for any contract.